So looking at number 4 on page 153, the first step is always to draw out your cylinder. So let's draw a cylinder. I'm going to try drawing a different way. I'm going to draw my circles first and then connect the dots. I'll draw it down like that. There's my one circle. Dotted portion, yeah, we got ourselves a cylinder. Okay, so the cylinder height here is 5 meters. So that's the height of my cylinder, and the radius, it says, is 1.5. So let's draw a radius here at 1.5 meters. So what we can see is we have a circle that looks like this, the radius of 1.5, and there's two of them, so we're going to eventually have to times it by 2. And we have a middle piece of that cylinder that looks like this, where this is the circumference around the circle, and we have the height of the cylinder, which is 5 meters. We'll get to that one. So let's focus our attention on the circle here. Area of a circle is pi times r squared. Okay, so area is equal to pi times 1.5 squared. 1.5 squared. And when you type that into your calculator, it gives you something pretty close to 7.07 meters squared. Now, there's two of these circles here, so we have to times that value by 2 because that's the area of only one of them. So we times it by 2 because there's two circles. Okay, and that gives us a value of 14.14 square meters because of all those circles. Alright, so now we can turn our attention to this. So the first step is to find the circumference. So we were given the radius, so we're going to work with the radius one of circumference. So 2 times pi times r. So 2 times pi, and my r is 1.5, and that's coming from right here. That's the radius of my circle. So 2 times pi times 1.5. And let's figure out what that is. 2 times pi times 1.5. 9.42. So 9.42 meters. Remember, this isn't an area yet. This is circumference. Now we have to find the area of that thing. So area is equal to length times width. And in this situation, the length is circumference and the width is the height. So circumference is 9.42 times by my height, which is 5 meters. So 9.42 times 5. 47.1. So 47.1 square meters because of that piece of the cylinder there. So all that's left now is to add up those two pieces, well, all the pieces. So our total then, we have 47.1 from the middle portion, and the two circles give us 14.14. Okay, and when we add those up, plus 14.14, 61.24. And that's all she wrote. 61.24 meters squared. Done.